Just yesterday morning, you let me know you were gone. Susan, the plan to make put an end to you. Woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. I just remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'll see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You got to help me make a stand, just to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I don't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire, I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'll see you again. Been walking my mind and the time, my back turned towards rain. Lord knows when cold wind blows, turn your head around. There's our time on the telephone line. Sweet dreams and flying machines in pieces all around. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Yeah, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. Yeah, but I always thought I'd see you, babe, one more time. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things got me my way this time.